arrived at Check O today. And we're going to try and see if we can capture nice footage here of the island Phan Chau and also the Lovers Bridge of Check O. We are now trying the DJI Spark. I have here the remote for it because I bought the Fly More combo instead of having it like this, because I don't want to remote control it with my phone. Plus with the remote control I can actually get a longer distance, and because I have the Mavic also, I can use the Mavic cable to connect the remote to my phone directly instead of having it using Wi-Fi, which causes also a lot of issues. I'm going to try a hand-on launch. He's going to launch the Mavic over there. Wait for him first. That's the Mavic. Now okay, that's weird. It flies off to the side. Em lại em nổ ngọ. The camera is not aiming at the right direction, so it doesn't see what I'm doing at all. It doesn't want to land.